Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to post a video on Tango. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on your profile icon or avatar icon at the top left corner. Alright, so after that, if you look at the top area, you find your username right there. Just go ahead and click on that. From your profile, you're going to find this add post button. Click on it and select create video. Alright, so from here, you can just start creating your video by holding the round record button at the bottom area, or you can upload a video from your gallery. Alright, so you can see that option at the top, at the bottom right corner. All right, so that's it. So for example, let me hold the record button and it will start recording. Once I'm done recording, I'll click on next at the bottom left corner, right corner. All right, so once you click on that, you can now start editing your video. So once editing is complete, you can see the next option at the top right corner. Click on that and it will start exporting this video. Right, so now the next thing you have to do is to add caption and click on the add post button, and then that's it. So for example, I can just say something like this and click on add post, and it will be added to your profile and it will be posted on Tango. So this is the video. As you can see, if you want to find it, you can always see it from your profile area. So here's it right here. Alright, so that's how you can actually post a video on Tango. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.